Top 3 fidgets that I don't show you. Number 1. Also to subscribe. Number 1. This mini dimple digit. The pops of it. The pops. Yeah. This is the hard side, and here's the noisy side. Number 2, this is my no fidget. This is a needle. A needle, yeah, it's a needle. Here's the squeeze. Here's the needle sign. Okay, the last one. This dumpling needle. It's deflated. And it's kind of squishy. Because the reason why it's not as squishy because it's deflated and this is at 5 below, and yeah, it's deflated actually. I bought a deflated dumpling needle. I hope you enjoy this. Bye.